foot forward, and then you take your feet in. The knee should be through the first digit, the big toe. Okay? So you do 10 of that. The goal is to open here. Okay? Open here. And you go also the opposite leg. Okay? 10 times. And then you get this leg, bring it forward, and you take it foot out. Okay? You do 10. The essence is to open or stretch these ligaments here. Right together. Then after that, so you do still the two legs. Now you do also the taking in. Okay? The hands so that it opens the ankle still, the other side. How do you feel there? So after that, you do the rotation. So you bring the knee in, take it back, then rotate. In, back, rotate. No, this one which is at the back. Bring it in, bend, take it back. After locking, then rotate. Rotate at the ankle, not the hip. So don't twist your pelvis. So you bend in, take back, then open. In, back, and rotate. So the rotation should be at the ankle. Okay? So we come forward a little bit. So bend, take it back, then rotate. Something like that. Back, rotate. Good. Yes, then after that, you can now combine all those movements. Simple. And take it down, lift it up, go through the toes, bring it in, come to the heel, and that, something like that. So you also do the reverse 10 times of each movement. Your ankle is very stiff, but it is okay. So, after in, bring it down, then through the toes, turn, in, back, lift up, come down, press down, go in, like that, inside. So you are combining all the other movements.